In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Fluffy Mod Manager and easily manage mods for Resident Evil Village. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the Fluffy Mod Manager and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Once extract done, right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop the extracted folder inside of a game folder. And now right click on this reframework and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this input8.dll inside of a game folder. Open the Fluffy Mod Manager. Open this mod manager.exe. Choose game, scroll down and select this Resident Evil Village. Choose game folder, choose the games install folder. Navigate to the game folder, select the game folder and select folder option. Select this mod list. Now check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm going to install this Mini Me Chris. We are going to change the baby face to this Chris, as you can see. Once you download the mod, go to downloads. Drag and drop the downloaded RAR file inside this mod manager. Now go back to mod manager. Turn on the mod we dropped. Same way you can install how much mod you like, but make sure the mod is turned on in this mod list. Now you can launch the game. As you can see, the mod is working. The baby face changed to Chris. I'm gonna skip this cutscene. That the mod has been working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.